Hey everybody, this is Randy the Mobile Traveler. Happy Sunday to you. Football day in America today. But before that, I have to figure out why my AC unit isn't working. Maybe you guys got some ideas for me. Well, there's always chores to do when you got RVs or even when you're in a house. And since this is a new camper, so far everything works except for this. And I'm pretty sure, well, hopefully there's something in there that's just sticking the fan. So we're gonna find out. And I haven't had this thing open yet, so I guess y'all will find out with me. Oop, there went that screw. You know, always got chores to do. Be it in your house or in your RV, right? The only thing different about this is, we're a little high up in the air. Let's see what we've got. So be careful when you get up on your rig. Make sure you have your ladder safely secured. Hell, I just about fell on my keister earlier today because I had it at an angle like a dummy. But all's good in love and war. Okay, let's see what we got going here. Well, it's filthy. I do say that. It's got a lot of junk in it. But there's nothing stopping the fan from moving. I was hoping there'd be a stick in there or something stopping it. But it's not. So I'm going to clean all this out. And I'm going to come back to you when I figure out if it's going to work or not. Well, throughout all the diagnostics that I've done, the blower motor is not kicking in. So that tells me that the blower motor is shot. You can manually turn it, and it works just fine. But it won't kick in. The compressor kicks in like it's supposed to. It's getting enough power. And as you can see down here, this fan is turning. But there's not enough. I mean, the motor itself is not kicking in. But what do you expect? It's an old rig. I can't expect everything to work just fine. Okay, I'm going to button this thing back up and then I'll give you a summation. Well, it's a new day. I figured out what was wrong with the air conditioner. Hey, Acer. Sorry people, he's shaking the table around. Let me change this around a little bit. He is quite the yeah, I start talking and he's got to join in. Anyway, the air conditioner, it is the blower motor. See this? He's getting right up in there, isn't he? You want to say hi to the people, Ace? Say, hey, that's me, there's my nose. Anyway, it is the blower motor. So I'm going to have to get a new motor. And when I install it, I'll bring you guys with me. So, he is just quite the hound dog. Yeah, I love you, you little ragamuffin. Okay, hey, you guys want to see the new paint scheme? I finished painting the rest of the camper. I'll give you a little look. Let me turn this camera around. Well, here it is. The new paint scheme of the new Traveler. The Mobile Traveler's Mobile. What do you guys think? I like it. Yeah, I had to get rid of that all white. Because you know me, that's just too darn plain. And the other side is exactly the same. Now, I'm trying to figure out, you guys know how that logo is of mine. The cactus, thumb and a ride. I need to know, because I am conflicted on where to put it. I'm thinking about putting it right there. What do you guys think? Because before I had it on the door. And Terry suggested I put it on the back of the rig instead of the door. Now the door's open. I can put it right here again. And if I don't put it there, then I'm going to bring the blue back all the way over. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. All right, you guys drive safe, travel on, and you know what to do. You love one another if you can, and if you can't, you guys walk away. Thanks for joining me. Bye now.